Hello everybody, this is Peter with GoodyReader.com. This is the Kingrow K1 E Ink smartphone. It is an E Ink display, 5.2 inch HD, 1280 by 720. You can just pause the video at any point in time if you want to read those specs. It is reflective because there is still the plastic on it. We have never opened this up ourselves, nor have we ever really seen it in person. However, we did see it at the event that we just had in Tokyo. CEATEC, I don't know what you really call that. But anyways, without further ado, we have ripped the plastic off and we are going to see what is inside. Ho ho ho, Christmas time. We are going to put this off to the side as we usually do until after, and we're going to explore the rest of the box. Lifting up this, you do get some information here. You get the K1 quick manual without a C. You can see volume key, indicator light, sensor, earphone, SIM card tray, function, type USB-C, and backspace button. Here is how you replace everything, and you can pause the video at any point in time if you want to see this, front and back, if you seem to have gotten your hands on one of these and you lost the manual. This is how you remove the SIM card. That is the SIM card removal tool. If you lose this, do not cry. It is the exact same thing as a paper clip. So that's basically it. Here is probably a charger. I don't know if they give you a wall charger. Oh, they give you headphones. So they give you some headphones, 3.5mm headphone jack, earbud kind of things. Very nice. And we have a USB-C cable, and there's something else in the box here. Oh, it's a case. Very nice, very nice. They give you a case along with it, so that's kind of cool. It's just a little silicone case. It doesn't seem to be branded by Kingrow of any kind, but it is, you know, it's nice to have. That's very nice of them. And here is the device itself. We are going to, I think we slide this out. We can. We're going to slide this out, keep this just in case because there's some serial numbers on there for the SIM card. Oh, cool. The back is faux leather. It's not, I mean, it's actually not even faux leather. It just looks like leather. It's not even fake leather material though. It's simply just plastic, but it has the little stitching material all around the side. And we're not going to do a first time boot up. We're going to keep you guys in suspense and leave that for the full review. But it is very nice because, oh, you know what? I have to. Whoa, man, I have to. Oh, someone already applied a screen protector. I think they re-plastic wrapped this, which is totally fine because it's good for the review here that they put that on. I hope it's meant to look like a book like that. That's very nice because it is a D shape. It's hard in the corners and rounded on the sides. So it does look like a little leather-bound... oh, it totally is. You can see the little design lines here. It looks like a leather-bound ledger. So that's really cool. We're just going to leave the rest of that for the review. This is strictly an unboxing. If you guys are saying, why didn't I turn it on? Why didn't we review it? Why didn't we do anything? It's because this is an unboxing. We are unboxing it, everyone, to show you everything that comes in the box. We will do a full review on this. I promise we will. And this is everything that comes in the box for now. For GoodyReader.com and an unboxing of the Kingrow K1 E Ink smartphone, this is Peter.